Property value and real estate taxes usually are directly tied to the quality of schools in the area. And even if a family isn't in your immediate future, schools are usually the first indicator of economic health of a community. So as the saying goes, in real estate anyway, location matters. And so the quality of the schools matters as well. And it might seem odd to consider the selling situation before you even own the home. But an exit strategy, also known as a selling strategy, is somewhat important while buying. The quality of the school system will be a factor other buyers consider when you choose to sell your home. And your real estate agent will likely sing the same tune. Be smart, get educated, schools matter.